Hello everybody, my name is Edgar with the Bain Group, and today I will show you how you can import an Excel spreadsheet to SharePoint to automatically create a list. Today I'll be going through how to import an Excel spreadsheet, and then also we'll be reviewing, checking, and fixing column types. If you ever wanted to transfer your Excel spreadsheets to a SharePoint list but didn't want to do all of the work of retyping all of your data, there's a quick and easy way of doing so. So let's take a look at how we can do this within our SharePoint site. So before starting, make sure that you have your Excel file at an accessible location since we will have to select your Excel file within SharePoint during this process. To begin, on the top left of your SharePoint site, we'll just click New, then List. Then once we're on this pane, on the top, we'll select From Excel, and then we'll click Upload File. So as mentioned earlier, we'll select our Excel file from the location we previously placed it in. So for this example, I just choose Financial Sample. We'll let that upload. Now it's loading the tables. And then we're going to select a table from this file that we want to use. So I'll just choose financials. And during this step, we'll want to go through each column within this table and make sure that the data is matching with the column type. So as we can see here, here's an example of like title. So we want the title here. Then this is a single line of text, single line of text, single line of text. Units sold, that should be a number. But as we can see here, manufacturing price, this shouldn't be a number. This should be currency since we're talking about money. So we'll select that. Again here, sales price should be currency. Sales should be currency. Discounts, that's a number, yes. Sales is currency. Let's see, cost of goods sold, that should be currency as well. Profit currency. Date, this looks wrong as well, so this should be date and time. So now that looks way better. Month number, that should be fine. That should be fine as well. That should be fine as well. Okay, so now our columns look correct. We'll just click next, and then we'll give it a name. So we'll just call this test financial sample for right now. We could give a description if we'd like, or if we wanted to show in the site navigation at the top. As you can see here, I already messed around with it. So that's how it would look like if we selected this option. So we'll just deselect it for now and click create. So now SharePoint will create the list from our Excel file and to select the table. It will say 100% complete, but still, it will still take a while to show up. So we'll just give it a minute. Alrighty, now our new list has been loaded in. As we can see here, we could just check real quick if our column and data types look correct. As you can see, we added currency, so these look like dollar signs, so that's correct. And now we could also add content to our list easily by clicking new. And now we have everything here. We can create new data entries. So now you know how to create a SharePoint list from an Excel file effortlessly. I hope this video was helpful for your Excel sheet migrations to lists. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bain Group YouTube channel so you can get more tips and tricks like this one every week. Thank you.